Hi there, today we will learn how to fix Windows 10 is very slow in opening any application and program. First we need to go to the Windows search option, then simply type run. Click on the run option. Now we get a dialog box. Here simply type msconfig, then press OK. Now choose the selective startup option. Then uncheck load startup item. Finally press OK. Again go to the Windows search option. Then type run. Go to the run option. Here simply type again msconfig. After that go to the services option. Then select hide all Microsoft services. Finally press OK button. Hope so after doing all of these things your PC will be faster than before. Finally consider a like and subscribe to my channel if it works on your computer. Keep learning. Have a nice day.